appreciate you coming out. Yes, sir. Again, good luck.
Some fishing poles.
Oh, y'all, there'll be plenty. They starting to get set up over there next door too.
Alex.
Ma'am.
Fishing poles.
Fishing poles.
Make them ready to go.
This is ready to go. This is ready to go. This is ready to go. That one's ready to go.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a long hot day. It's that humidity is. Whew.
It is. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Breaking news. Sam Bankman-Fried's bail just got revoked.
Who?
Sam Bankman-Fried. They've been chasing him for a while. I think it's bank fraud. I'll get your row on. Oh, this is sweet.
Yeah, I found it.
It's a wee one too.
Yeah.
What do you want for it?
Megan, what do I want for that thing? I have no idea what it's for. Well, guess what? I see you at hospice all the time.
How about $7?
That's fine.
Sweet. Thank you. Well, we just got a Wii, and that's why I'm going to use it, so. We still need some games, so flag me down if you're getting rid of any games. Okay. Good deal.
You wanna wear them sandals? Come there. You wanna wear them sandals? Why?
There's a couple. All the same that we have, I believe. Okay. There is 7.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Y'all have a good morning.
You too.
Puzzles.
I'm sorry, what?
Kitchen and bath.
5 of them.
Oh,
They've been
watch that.
open for the past couple weeks at church. Oh, people come. No, they're not there. They're 3 classes above you.
Well, ain't a rocking shoes back there.
Wait a minute. Y'all ain't got in my class yet, so y'all ain't in the old class. No.
Laura, he wants to ask you something. Hey, pay attention.
Good morning.
Good morning. How y'all doing?
How are y'all?
Good.
That's all right, Laura. I understand completely, darling.
Oh,
I mean, I got a huge gap in mine. Ross is in my Sunday school class.
That's pretty.
Then,
Red.
I don't know, like, Sarah's mom.
Nope. Dinosaurs galore. I think they're all newer, but I find old ones like that, they're pretty good. Oh, that's what. You gotta walk pretty far to go up there.
You want to go to it?
I don't think they've set up yet.
I mean, people are walking around.
Okay, let's go check. Yeah.
No, definitely not that. Okay.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
You can look here. I'm bringing the stuff up.
Okay,
You can
cool.
Just dig whatever you want to do because we had people coming and I'm like, oh, it's early.
Yeah, I get
But
it.
you know, this is the earliest one I've ever done. 7 o'clock. I'm like, whoa, this is crazy.
Yeah, and you know people start door knocking way earlier than that. Oh, here's some video games.
It's over before 9, but I'm like, oh.
Let's see. How much are your video games?
Most of them are $2, and the DVDs, if there's any left, are $1.
Okay, I'll probably buy them all at $2. Makes it easy.
All right.
So there's
Check and
12.
make sure they're all in there. I believe they are,
Okay.
but sometimes someone takes something.
Right.
Because it was a controller for the Wii U, didn't it?
Oh,
Just the
yes.
Wii U?
Yes.
Yeah,
Perfect.
this one is 5 if you want
Okay.
the controller.
Good deal. Okay. Missing Shrek.
Are you looking for anything particular?
We just started a video game room, so really video games was like at the top of the list.
Oh, okay.
And you know they're getting expensive, so you don't want to you don't want to go paying $30 a piece if you can help it.
I don't know if you guys are into like Comic-Con stuff. I don't know. You know that thing in.
Not really. I'm not much into anything other than games, and we like vintage too.
Okay.
Let's see. This is
old. There might be a couple.
This is actually compatible with all Wii's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it says Wii Motion Plus, blah blah blah.
I just saw where it said Wii U. It's that
Right.
Nico ring.
Right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I got 28 games and they got 5 there. Would you make it a 30 even?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alrighty.
Take back in.
Right on, thank you.
Do you need a bag? Are you good?
I think I'm good.
I think we got a tote in the car. We can slide.
Oh yeah, I got several totes.
Let me just see.
Awesome.
I don't know if I have any more. There might be one tiny video game up there, but I think it's like one of those hookings.
I'm just gonna eyeball this box right here. No, I got it. We're good.
Yeah, there might be one floating around, but I don't know. Probably this old one.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Right? Don't ever skip it, folks.
Literally, never.
Let's see what little things she has up here. Perfume, picture frame. Okay, cool.
I think we could have carpooled. I'm telling
Back and forth, back and forth. Oh, it about got you. You about found the bad step. Good morning.
Good morning.
Max Fly. Callaway Rescue.
All right, now you know I'm gonna ask. I gotta
TikTok.
know.
TikTok, YouTube, tax purposes. We're resellers by trade.
Really?
So sometimes it's a good reference just to go back and be like, oh, do you remember what we paid, you know?
Had to be.
And then you also,
Very interesting.
if you ever get audited, which could happen, we've been doing it 7 years now, so it's not happened to us, but if you ever were to get audited, you need proof. And sometimes they
For
won't,
yard sale purposes.
yeah, they won't take just a
you don't
written
get a
receipt,
receipt.
you know? So
Understood.
I can say, hey, I got videos on YouTube if you need to check them.
Right.
So hopefully that'll maybe insure me a little bit.
Right.
And also people like seeing, to be honest, they like seeing what we see. They don't even care what we
How
buy.
many people watch video, like just the video footage uploaded of us going to yard sales without
Really?
any editing or anything?
And we don't do yard sales. What this?
I think about like,
And I said, throw your clothes out there and let's just. See.
right, I think about like home health people that can't leave the house.
Right.
That used to do this.
Oh, really?
And so
Yeah.
now it triggers, you know,
Yeah.
that happy memory. So,
Wow, that's very interesting.
all right, well, y'all have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hold up. I may not be escaping yet. 53 degree. How much are your clubs?
I don't even have a price on them. Might be an offer. I don't even know what I got over there.
Couple of wedges. I just noticed you had
These
2
some
wedges.
old Wokey wedges.
Right. Good quality. How about 5 a piece?
That's fair. That's fair to me.
Sweet.
You do this. You know what you're looking for.
There's another one. Well, any of that Vokey stuff too. I golf a little bit, and some of the buddies will trade clubs, and
Yeah.
that helps too.
I'm an avid golfer and a decent player. I just don't change equipment much.
Right.
And when I do update, most of my stuff's new and it's
Right.
traded or somebody wants it, but
You got a 5 on you?
I do.
Sweet. What I really want is some Scotty Cameron putters, but you know.
Had no luck with Scotties. I tried one Scotty blade, but I'm a mallet style.
Yeah, you should look at a Circle T, but
I know
they
all
start
about
at
it.
like $4,000. So, hey, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. They have that one little table in the garage too. The garage is open. I bet it's the garage too. I hate to walk all the way down there.
I know.
But
I won't ask our carpool people.
I'm
Just
taking-
want to walk.
I'm taking this.
Ah, get out of the car.
I did get out of the car. That was funny.
I swear I'm married at man exactly like my father.
That's funny.
Y'all, he just farted on me in the car.
Help!
left a lot of it, so y'all can load up.
All right, I appreciate it.
This is a good quad workout.
Oh yeah, down the hill, up the hill.
Not as bad as Puckett's Ferry.
True. Good morning. It must only be this table. Little plant looks cool.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
You got some more stuff in.
Okay, cool. That's cool. Here, hold on to that.
I'll take, yeah. I'll take 100 for it.
I didn't really ain't gonna do it. What, how much asking for your club?
I'll take 100 for it,
It works,
or you
too.
give me a estimate on it. The instructions, the key, everything is right here, right there in the bottom.
This one, that's their winds and works.
Huh?
Their winds and
It
works.
works, and all you have to do is wind it up and put the pedestal back up.
Okay, she's got a little stack of records in there that kind of caught my eye.
I couldn't tell if stuff in there was for sale or not.
What's this? That's older. USA marked. Go in there and ask her what she wants for that. No, because you're a woman.
No.
Ma'am, this Harley Davidson belt that you have, what would you like for that?
I'm sorry?
The Harley Davidson belt?
The Harley.
That-
Oh, I'll take $1 for it.
Okay, and I noticed you got some records in your cabinet. You're not selling your records, are you?
Where's my husband?
I'm a record nut, so
Are
I
you?
saw the cabinet and had to
Well,
ask.
come in and you look through.
Okay,
He's got these down here.
okay. Awesome.
You just look.
Thanks.
How are you today?
How you? Good. Thank y'all. Y'all come back.
Those are interesting.
Oh yeah, the clowns. It's kind of like Emmett. What's his face? Forward. I gave her the $1 for that, didn't I? Yeah, I think I did. I pulled out my wallet. Yep. What an eclectic mix.
Go out and look at them.
You got a little bit of everything in here.
Oh yeah, I bought a bunch of them.
I mainly like Southern rock, but like Willie Nelson, you know, that's Willie. You gotta like Willie.
They most of them, I bought them as we stopped at the auction
Right.
on Belden Highway and
Okay.
a whole box of them things, and I bought them.
Let's see.
Feel free to look through all of them.
I appreciate it. Thanks. Polka and waltz.
I had some old George Jones and all that stuff, and the fella came and got them.
Yeah, people nowadays, they're starting to like them. They didn't used to like them too much, but
It's trendy right now.
yeah, they're coming back in.
Had some Elvis.
I think it's just a Willie for me today. What you want for that Willie Nelson?
What you give for?
Give you $2.
I like one of them.
All right, sweet.
It's just sitting there, and I used to come up here and drink my beer and all that stuff. Good Lord, today, boy, we better put that food aside.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. All right, here's one. I gotta dig another one out of my bag here.
I give up that kind of life. Well, I still come up here and enjoy that.
Yeah. Here, will you hold this?
Yes.
Reach in here and grab one.
That's a whole deal, isn't it?
I think that one's 80s.
Hey,
There you go. I appreciate it.
right,
Thank you.
Thanks for letting me dig through them.
yeah, no problem.
You didn't find one?
I got one. She got one.
Okay.
Thank you much.
Table over here.
Yep. Cool. Look, they were selling these for $6.87. That was a lot back in the 80s.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I'd like to find about 10 more of those. It went from being like bright to dark.
What?
The shade in general. Now I'd like to find about 10 more of those wedges. Quick 3 to 400.
Well, I can make a good video about not judging a book by its cover.
True.
Don't judge your yard sale from the road.
Good morning. Good. Like that video game thing, same thing.
3 in a row.
Dun, dun. Oh, it's like a little fairy village in a pot. How cool is that? Did she make those?
Yeah.
That's super creative. Dun, 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 dun. Look how pretty that spruce tree is too. Oh, that's a neat idea for a Christmas tree. Spin the yarn over a, it's probably like styrofoam. Hey, you're very creative with your little
Thank you.
fairy villages.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I used to landscape and those were definitely all the rage in like indoor gardens.
Yeah, I